Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your GATE response sheet URL link. First, you'll need to visit the official GATE examination website. Look for the candidate login area, usually prominent on the home page. You'll then enter your unique enrollment ID and the password you created during registration. This initial step is crucial for securely accessing your personal examination data. Make sure to have these credentials ready before you begin. Once you've successfully logged into your candidate portal, your next step is to locate the specific section for response sheets. This is often labeled as response sheet, answer key, or candidate responses within your personal dashboard. It's usually quite easy to spot. Clicking on this particular tab or link will then direct you to the page where your individual examination responses are made available. This is where you'll find the direct link you're looking for. Upon reaching the response sheet page, you will see your individual responses displayed. Crucially, the URL in your browser's address bar at this point is the direct link to your specific response sheet. This unique URL contains all the necessary identifiers for your examination attempt. To share or save it, simply copy the complete address from the browser's address bar. Ensure you copy the entire string of characters for it to be valid. With the URL copied, you can now paste it into any web browser to directly access your response sheet. This is incredibly useful for reviewing your answers or discussing specific questions with peers or mentors. The link provides a straightforward way to revisit your submitted responses without needing to log in again, as long as the session remains active. It's a convenient method for sharing your examination performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.